Today I'm outside of Point Arena in Northern California at Bowling Ball Beach, aptly named because of all the rocks shaped like bowling balls behind me. These rocks are actually what's called concretions. A concretion is a hard, compact mass of matter that's built up over time from mineral cement within the spaces of particles, usually in a layer within sedimentary rock, as that sedimentary rock is being formed. They're often ovoid or circular in shape, much like the bowling balls behind me, and they're found around the world. They start to form somewhat like a snowflake, whereas a snowflake is precipitation that starts to form and freeze around a particle of dirt or dust. They typically form around a nucleus, usually something organic, whether that's a piece of wood, fossil or bone, or some sort of plant specimen. And they can even form around non-organic things. In fact, concretions have been found around World War II shell fragments as well as bullets in the English coastal salt marshes. They can be what's considered concentric or pervasively grown. In a concentric growth, it grows as layers around that original organic piece of matter, growing over time. Whereas in pervasive growth, it fills a gap and solidifies, eventually in time becoming a concretion. And as it grows, it actually becomes harder, usually harder than the strata around it in the sedimentary rock. And thus, once erosion starts to happen and breaks down that sedimentary rock, all that's left is the concretion. And they build up in certain areas, much like here at Bowling Ball Beach. Although concretions often consist of a single dominant mineral, other minerals can be present depending on the environmental conditions that created them. Commonly composed of carbonate materials such as calcite, they can also be formed from silica, chert, flint, and jasper, as well as geothite and hematite. Other minerals that are known to be concretions include dolomite, pyrite, barite, and gypsum. Prior to the knowledge of how they were created, due to their unusual shape, people thought they were anything from dinosaur eggs or plant fossils or extraterrestrial debris or human artifacts. There are many types of concretions, including septarian, cannonball, hiatus concretions, elongate concretions, as well as one-offs like the Moki marbles and the Kansas pop rocks, as well as things known as clay stones, clay dogs, and fairy stones. Now, due to the fact that concretions often form around some sort of organic matter, whether that's a leaf or a bone or tooth, fossil hunters will often break open concretions in an attempt to find a fossil within. Thanks for watching, and as always, until next time, get lost.